इसको देखो।
आ जाओ आ जाओ।
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruhi Chawla Verma and I am back again. हर संडे आती हूँ with my wedding series and आज है episode number 2 of my wedding series. And guys, I'm super duper excited. अगर आप new हो on my channel or if you have not subscribed to my channel, still watch my videos, then do subscribe to my channel. आज की जो वीडियो है, it is all about my engagement.
चल चल चला किसने कहा था मछली मारने के लिए?
Vlog बना रही हूँ.
क्या ही लग रही है?
अच्छा
ऑल्सो आज की वीडियो में बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, बहुत सारा बिहाइंड द सीन्स दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं आज की वीडियो में. सबसे पहले बात करूंगी अबाउट द इवेंट. सो गाइज, आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट माय एंगेजमेंट वाज ऑन 22nd जनवरी. इवन माई मेहंदी वॉज ऑल्सो ऑन 22nd जनवरी. मेहंदी का फंक्शन डे टाइम में था एंड आफ्टरनून आई मीन इवनिंग में एंगेजमेंट थी. सो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल यू कि हम बहुत 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 लेट हो गए थे. सो दिस इज वन टिप फॉर यू दैट यू इफ यू गाइज हैव 2 फंक्शंस इन अ डे, जैसे हमारा था सिंस इट वाज अ डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग. सो अगर आपके एक ही दिन में 2 फंक्शंस हैं, फर्स्टली ट्राई कि एक दिन में 2 ना हो. एंड बट अगर कुछ लाइक शगुन का टाइम है, यू नो समथिंग लाइक दैट, like in our case, so if that is the case then just try to wind up your first half, I mean जो first function है really quick, so that second जो function है उसके लिए आपके पास plenty of time हो.
Uncle of a bride.
So of course we got super late and this is what was happening with me while I was going to the venue and oh my god.
Okay, great.
So guys, let's talk about point number 1, which is outfit. So outfit के लिए I really wanted something very Indo-Western and मेरा बहुत मन था कुछ different color पहनने का. Engagement outfit के लिए तो बहुत सारे designers का मैंने I had things in my mind. सीमा गुजराल में गई थी. बहुत लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया था. आई थिंक इट्स इन नोएडा इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो आई वेंट टू सीमा गुजराल विद अर्जुन एंड माई मदर एंड वी सॉ आई थॉट कि यार सीमा गुजराल इज द वन दैट आई वांट एंड एवरीथिंग. इवन आई डिसाइडेड कि ठीक है, आई विल डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. द आउटफिट्स दैट आई ट्राइड, द कलर्स दैट आई ट्राइड, एवरीथिंग. मतलब आई रियली लाइक्ड द आउटफिट्स ऑफ कोर्स, बट मुझे वो 2 लाख रुपीज वर्थ नहीं लगा. Somehow, I don't know, I mean I was not that convinced to spend 2 lakh rupees on my engagement outfit. I was just scrolling down and Surabhi Chopra label was also in my mind because बहुत ही beautiful sequence work का है and she was growing at that time. So I thought that okay, now एक बार मैं जा चुकी थी, मुझे as such इतना कुछ flawless नहीं लग रहा था because sample pieces normal होते हैं. But then when I went there again after exploring so much and a lot of things I would say. So when I went there and I tried a lot of outfits, but एक outfit ऐसा था जो which striked my mind and उसका color, oh my god, midnight green was the color which I never thought that I'll carry and I'll wear in any of my functions, but it was so beautiful. The work on it, the dupatta of it, I mean everything, it just struck my mind and I was like, okay, so this is it, this is what I want. Engagement outfit was around, if I'm not wrong, 70,000. I think 70 to 75. I don't remember much, but it was just in this bracket itself. Jewelry part. So how I decided my jewelry, everything. So with that again, since the outfit was very cocktail Indo-Western sort of a thing, I did not want to wear American diamond. मेरे को कुछ बहुत ही Indo-Western types ही jewelry पहननी थी, So I chose diamond kundan. It is something very different and I knew that Suhana Jewels, which is in Shapur, from where I can get the best jewelry which I really want. So I went for a choker and it was such a beautiful piece, very exclusive, and that is how in just one go I chose my jewelry and I think it was amazing and it looked very beautiful. makeup. So makeup, as you guys know that I'm a makeup artist as well, so I chose to doll myself up for all my functions. I mean, it was Arjun's and my mother's decision, so I was like, okay, let's do it. I already said all these things in my episode number 1, so if you have not watched it, do watch it, guys. So about the makeup, I thought since it is midnight green, actually I wanted to give it a cocktail engagement feel, so I chose my eye makeup accordingly. I kept my base subtle and made my eyes very dramatic. I mean, my eyes were green. And of course, as always, I talk about how to dress with your partner and how to look amazing together. So as I love sequins, I am glad that Arjun also chose to wear sequins. He chose to wear a very deep green velvet sherwani with a stole, and it was all sequins on his sherwani as well. I mean, it was such a beautiful outfit. I mean, very, very, very smart choice, and I really liked the way it came out. And yeah, so dance performances नहीं हो पाई, तो मैं आपको कुछ और बता नहीं सकती. How we practiced, how we danced in the end, or something like that.
Minutes लगेंगे. So we have something for you all. हमारे से लोग पूछते हैं कि हम मिले कैसे, क्या ये लव मैरिज है, आप सबको इसका जाएगा.
तो ये कहानी है हीरो और एक हीरोइन की. हीरो का नाम है अर्जुन वर्मा. ईस्ट दिल्ली का लड़का.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope that you are liking my Sunday YouTube videos, which are wedding guide videos. I really love you all. Next Sunday with another look I am going to appear, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye.